Today we're going wide.
That's right. Today we have the Laowa 12mm f2.8 lens designed for mirrorless cameras.
I'm wearing the wrong shoes, my ankle hurts, it's hot outside. I just want to look epic.
It's okay, I have the 12 mil. I'm gonna make you look so epic. It's gonna be great. This is a non-fisheye 12mm f2.8 lens that's designed from the ground up to be designed for mirrorless cameras. So you can get it in either the Sony E mount or Nikon Z mount.
Now the predecessor to this lens was really well regarded, but it was significantly heavier, didn't have a filter thread, and was manual focused and designed for DSLR cameras. This is the new generation lens and it's fantastic.
Yeah, it's more compact, it's quite a bit lighter, coming in at 377 grams. It comes with a filter thread of 72mm on the front of the lens, and a lot of design upgrades that make this more compelling for mirrorless cameras.
Now the 0D in the naming of this lens stands for zero distortion, and this lens for an ultra wide is very well corrected. For one, the image quality is significantly better as well. Take a look at these sample shots here, and you can see the center sharpness is pretty good between both these lenses, but it's in the corner sharpness that ultra wides really have to work hard, and you can see a significant improvement on this new generation.
Another big advancement is that this lens has autofocus. Now, of course, if you want to use the lens for hybrid purposes for both photo and video, obviously having autofocus is a huge advancement. And so being able to work with that definitely gives you a lot more versatility for this lens.
Now, what I love about shooting with an ultra-wide 12mm lens is it makes everything look really epic. And I need all the help I can get to look epic when I'm skateboarding. You can see the reality versus the epicness through the lens here of my little skateboarding through the bowl here. But also things like skyscapes and cloudscapes and night skies, that kind of stuff. We want that fast aperture and that ultra-wide.
Yeah, architecture too, and as Dave mentioned, it does have a unique look to it, and since it's not the fisheye effect, you are getting a very wide frame. So we enjoy this lens for doing a lot of stuff like this urban sports or skateboarding, BMX, things like that at the skate park, but also being able to do other winter sports and things like that. It's definitely a versatile focal length because you're getting so much information in your frame in one shot. But of course, we want to know, what do you think of this new lens from Laowa or Laowa lenses in general? Let us know in the comments below.
And do you find that 12mm is the perfect focal length for making people look epic doing skateboarding?
Dave certainly hopes so.
Follow us both on Instagram.
And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. It's been Dave and Evelyn from the Camera Store. We'll catch you again very soon.
Hey, thanks for sticking around and watching this episode on the latest Laowa 12mm 0D. If you want to check out more of our recent content, click up here. And if you're Canadian and you want to shop local, check out thecamerastore.com down here.